My double chin was ruining every photo, until this. In just about 10 minutes a day, I was able to tighten my facial lines without spending any money. Don't miss this, and hit subscribe if you're done looking older. Let's massage the jawline. Bend your fingers and pinch your chin. Gently shake while holding. Slowly move outward. If it's sore, it means you're a bit puffy. Loosen facial tension with gentle moves.
Appreciating the day I've been. Lift up, my sack and my blues. Massage it out and welcome the good news. Soften my face and soften my mind. Let's start the day, leaving worries behind. Let's start the day. Lines on my forehead, no need to hide.
You are beautiful.
They're just the proof that I've lived with good news. But now I'll relax them just for today.
Stretch under your chin. Tilt your head back and look up. Push your chin forward. Feel the stretch in your neck. Great for reducing chin sagging. Go slow and don't force it.
What's heavy for a while. Even the tears won't leave a trace. Let's turn them into a brighter face. With every touch I remember this. I'm enough just as I exist. There's light.
Take time for yourself.
And I can see it through the haze. Lift up, lift up.
Massage under the chin. Place 3 fingers under your chin. Gently shake side to side. Sculpt your jawline with your fingers. This helps drain puffiness and sharpen your jaw.
Like myself a little more, don't you? Lift up, my sack and my blues. Massage it out and welcome the good news. Soften my face and soften my mind. Let's start the day, leaving worries behind.
You're doing great.
Don't miss on my forehead, no need to hide. They're just the proof.
Chin push massage. Push from chin to ears along the jawline. Feel it loosen under the chin. Say goodbye to puffiness. Hello sharp jaw.
Kindness and send stress away.
In front of the mirror, I take a deep breath, saying thank you to myself again. With gentle fingers,
Breathe in confidence. Breathe out stress.
appreciating the day I've been. Lift up, my sagging my
Let's massage the masseter muscle. Clench your teeth. Feel the bump? That's it. Gently massage the area. Relax the masseter to prevent sagging.
Let's start the day, leaving worries behind. Lines on my forehead, no need to hide. They're just the proof that I lived with pride. But now I'll relax them, just for today. Wrap them in kindness and send stress away. Lift up, corners of my smile. Massage away what's heavy for a while. Even the tears won't leave a trace. Let's turn them into a brighter face.
This moment is for you. You deserve love and care.
Just as I exist, there's light inside the mirror's gaze, and I can see it through the haze. Lift up, every part of me.
Behind the ear massage for swelling. Press the hollow behind your ears and say, "Au, au." It boosts blood flow, reduces puffiness, and gives your skin a glow.
Lines on my forehead, no need to hide. They're just the proof that I've lived with pride. But now I'll relax them, just for today. Wrap them in kindness, send stress away. With every touch, I remember this, I'm enough, just as I exist. There's light inside the mirror's gaze, and I can see it through the haze. Lift up, every part.
Shine from the inside out.
Massage my soul and let it be.
Let your light glow. Smile.
Face, the sky smiles too. I like myself a little more, don't you?
Under chin massage. Pinch and massage the soft area under your chin. This helps release trapped waste and shapes your jawline beautifully. Let your light glow. Smile, you're amazing.
Wake up, sunshine, feel your face. Time to lift it, feel the grace. Pout your lips, side to side.
Collarbone massage. Massage the dip just above your collarbone in small circles.
Stretch it wide. Eyes go left and swing to right. Feel that glow from cheek to chin. Morning beauty starts within. Hold me up in morning.
Every touch is a gift to yourself.
Cheeks to the sky, no time to waste. Hold it, high joy begin.
This drains toxins and brightens your face. Neck and shoulder stretch. Press the center of your shoulder with 2 fingers. Gently tilt your head side to side. Stretch until it feels good.
Circle shoulders nice and slow. Blood is flowing, feel the glow. Neck is long and jaw is free.
You are enough, just as you are.
O-shape mouth and stretch it wide. Eyes go left and swing to right. Feel that glow from cheek to chin. Morning beauty.
Sternocleidomastoid massage. Massage the long neck muscle from top to bottom with light pressure. It helps lymph flow and lifts your face.
Morning beauty starts within. Lift me up my morning face. Cheeks to the sky, no time to waste. Hold it, high, let joy begin. Younger look from deep within. Circle shoulders nice and slow. Blood is flowing, feel the glow. Neck is long and jaw is free. This is how we age youthfully. Oh, lift me up my morning face.
Feel the love in your hands. Be gentle, be kind to yourself.
Wake up, sunshine, feel your face. Time to lift it, feel the grace. Pout your lips, side to side. Smile lines, say goodbye. O-shaped mouth and stretch it wide. Eyes go left and swing to right. Feel that glow from cheek to chin. Morning beauty starts within. Lift me up my morning face. Cheeks to the sky, no time to waste.
Radiate peace and beauty.
Joy begin. Younger look from deep within.
Jaw muscle massage with fists. Make a fist and press gently on your jaw muscles. Massage in small circles with comfortable pressure.
Circle shoulders, nice and slow. Blood is flowing, feel the glow. Neck is long and jaw is free. This is how we age youthfully. O-shaped mouth and stretch it wide. Eyes go left then swing to right. Cheekbones rise and worries fall. You're the queen of it all. Lift me up my morning face. Cheeks to the sky, no time to waste.
Look at you, glowing already.
Let joy begin. Younger look from deep within.
Roll your neck in big circles again. Your neck and face are connected. Feel the stretch under your chin, it's all linked.
Every morning I awake, brush the sleep from my face, stretch a smile in the mirror. I see beauty in this place. It's not about perfection, it's about the care I give. Love in every motion that helps my soul to live. Love the glow inside and out. Face yoga, laugh away the doubt. Every line, every grace tells a story I embrace. It feels so good to just be me.
This is the last event.
Naturally. I light a candle, breathing slow. Lift my cheeks, let tension go. This is my moment, my care. No one else needs to be there.
Have a great day.
Morning and night as a daily routine. If you cannot do it, you can do it in the gap. Let's make it a habit together. If you like our videos, please subscribe and like our channel. We did it! We are also waiting for your comments. See you again. Bye.